Since they claim that this regional restructuring is based on ethno-linguistic affiliations, allowing people who have the same ethnic background and speak the same language to be able to come together in one fold and be called a region. The Yoruba tribe has been allowed to do same. They have been able to carve in their brothers from Kwara and Kogi into one fold, into one Yoruba fold. That means now, if this region is created, the whole people that speak Yoruba will be in Yoruba region. They will all be in Western region. But they refuse to allow Igbo people to do the same. They refuse to allow Igbo people to bring in their brothers that speak the same Igbo language, that have the same ethnic background, to be able to come together to form one Igbo region. They refuse that. There must be equity and fairness. Igbos has been marginalized from the past. They have separated us from our brothers. Now, another agenda of restructuring Nigeria is standing before us. And for them to correct the wrongs of the past, we cannot leave our brothers and sisters in River State to be carved into other tribes. We can also not allow our people in River State to be denied access to the sea, to be landlocked. They want to landlock every Igbo. Every Igbo community must stand up to resist this evil agenda. We must stand up. Every Igbo all over the world, anywhere you are you in diaspora? Anywhere you are, you must stand up to speak against this agenda. This restructuring must not stand. Whatever they agree at the end of it, it must not stand because it's against the unity and interest of Igbo. They should stop dividing us. We want to connect with our brothers in the rivers. They speak Igbo, they understand Igbo, the same culture, the same identity. They are one people. One of our sisters asked them a very vital question. What is the name of Port Harcourt and Rivers? Rivers and Port Harcourt were English names. What was they called before they were given Port Harcourt? Because if they can answer us the name of Port Harcourt, the original traditional name of Port Harcourt and that of Rivers, then we can know where they belong. But they don't want to answer that. They avoided the question and carried out with their evil agenda. But we must resist it. It will not happen again. We, people of this generation, will not allow our people to be further marginalized. It will not happen. If you want to do restructuring, there must be fairness and equity, and people must give their consent. There should also be referendum. Let the people in borders decide where they want to belong. We don't force people and put them in a region where they don't have any affiliation with. Thank you.